Anxiety isn't weakness, it's a misfiring alarm. Anxiety exists to protect us. It's the body's survival system reacting as if danger is present, even when the threat is a thought, not a predator. That racing heart, tight chest, and spiraling thoughts, that's your nervous system in overdrive, not a lack of willpower. This is why just calm down doesn't work. The rational brain is temporarily offline. Anxiety can look loud like panic or quiet like overthinking, perfectionism, and exhaustion. Many people function well while fighting inner tension. Anxiety feels scary, but it isn't dangerous. Panic rises, peaks, and falls. When we understand what's happening in the body, fear loses some of its power. Healing isn't about eliminating anxiety. It's about learning how to respond with awareness, tools, and compassion. Anxiety is common, treatable, and it does not define you. Follow for practical tools that calm your nervous system.